Most HVAC business owners are losing time, leads, and money simply because their systems are outdated. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because in 2026, the businesses that win are not the ones working harder, but the ones running smarter with the right apps. In this video, you'll learn the 16 best apps for HVAC businesses in 2026, how they actually help in real day-to-day operations, and how they can turn a chaotic business into a predictable system. Let's jump straight in. First is scheduling software like Jobber or House Call Pro. These apps let customers book appointments automatically. So instead of answering calls all day, someone like Jake, an HVAC technician, wakes up with a fully organized job schedule already planned. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most HVAC businesses still rely on phone calls and handwritten notes. That leads to missed jobs and double bookings. Second is Google Business Profile. This is one of the most powerful free tools. It helps your business show up when people search HVAC repair near me. That alone can bring consistent daily leads. Third is CRM systems like HubSpot or Zoho CRM. These help you track every lead, estimate, and follow-up. For example, Alex can instantly see which customers requested quotes but didn't respond yet. But here's the problem most beginners face. They forget follow-ups. And in HVAC, one missed follow-up can mean hundreds or thousands of dollars lost. Fourth is QuickBooks or Wave for accounting. These tools help you track income, expenses, and profit so you actually know if your business is making money. Fifth is Stripe or Square for payments. These allow customers to pay instantly after a job, improving cash flow and reducing delays. Sixth is ServiceTitan, one of the most powerful HVAC management platforms. It combines scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing in one system. Now, here's where it gets powerful. When everything is connected, your business stops depending on memory and starts running on systems. Seventh is route optimization apps like Google Maps or Circuit. These reduce drive time and help technicians complete more jobs per day. Eighth is WhatsApp Business or SMS tools for customer communication. You can send updates, arrival times, and reminders instantly. Ninth is Canva for simple marketing. You can create before and after job photos or promotions in minutes. 10th is reputation tools like Podium or Nisichob. These automatically request Google reviews after each job, which helps you rank higher locally. 11th is lead generation tools like Facebook Ads Manager for local targeting. 12th is time tracking apps like Clockify so you know how long each job actually takes. 13th is inventory tracking apps to manage parts and equipment. 14th is invoicing tools built into Jobber or FreshBooks for clean billing. 15th is automation tools like Zapier that connect apps together. 16th is cloud storage like Google Drive for documents, photos, and job records. Now, here's the truth no one tells you. You do not need all 16 apps on day one. You only need a small system that handles leads, scheduling, communication, and payments. Once that foundation is in place, everything becomes easier. More jobs, fewer mistakes, and less stress. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which app you're going to try first, and subscribe for more practical HVAC business strategies like this.